Could you ever imagine a world where artificial intelligence could replicate human conversations, predict patterns in data, and even generate content? Welcome to the present, where AI and generative models are making this possible. Before we dive into the fascinating world of ChatGPT, let's take a step back and understand the backbone of many AI models, the transformer models. Transformer models are a type of deep learning model that have revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence. They leverage something called self-attention mechanisms to understand the context of words in a sentence, not just their individual meaning. This ability to understand context gives them the power to comprehend, generate, and even translate human language. Now that we have a basic understanding of transformer models, let's explore how they are used in some example AI models recently developed by different groups to perform tasks that were once thought impossible for machines. First, let's dive into the world of ChatGPT. A product of OpenAI, ChatGPT uses a transformer-based model architecture, which allows it to generate human-like text. It was trained on a vast amount of internet text, so it's no surprise it can hold a conversation, write essays, or even create poetry. It's like having a digital bard at your fingertips. However, while ChatGPT is incredibly versatile, it's not perfect. It can sometimes generate incorrect or nonsensical answers, and it doesn't always understand the nuances of a context. Now, let's move on to Bart, or the bidirectional and autoregressive transformers. Bart is unique in its approach. Unlike ChatGPT, Bart is trained to both read left to right and right to left, making it bidirectional. This allows Bart to better understand context and generate more accurate text. It can fill in gaps, rewrite sentences, and even translate languages. But, like all models, it has its limitations. Bart is complex and requires a significant amount of computational resources. In wrapping up, we shift our focus to Grok, a creative brainchild of X.com, the organization once known as Twitter. Grok is a unique AI chatbot characterized by its wit and rebellious streak, a departure from the mainstream paths of AI systems like ChatGPT and Bart. Inspired by the whimsicality of The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Grok is always game to respond to any question thrown its way. Its expertise lies not just in identifying anomalies, also in injecting humor and an element of surprise into its responses. However, this very uniqueness can also be seen as a drawback, as its responses have sometimes been controversial, and it has been known to return misinformation or false chronologies when asked about news events. Despite its reputation of being Grok has also been observed to give progressive answers on issues such as social justice, climate change, and transgender identities. You can find Grok in fun mode, displaying an edgy and editorialized voice, but it is also customizable to regular mode, devoid of such idiosyncrasies. Now let's compare these three. ChatGPT and Bart are both transformer-based models, but they differ in their approach. ChatGPT is unidirectional and excels in generating human-like text. Bart, on the other hand, is bidirectional and is better at understanding context. Grok, however, stands apart from both. On top of technical differences, it relies on data collected from X website. In summary, AI and generative models are no longer a thing of the future. They're here, they're now, and they're constantly evolving. ChatGPT, Bart, and Grok each have their unique strengths and limitations. Whether it's generating human-like text, understanding context, or spotting anomalies in data, these models are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. The future of these models looks bright, with endless possibilities. As they continue to learn and evolve, who knows what they'll be capable of next? One thing's for sure, the world of AI and generative models is a fascinating one, and it's only going to get more exciting from here.